let's see. Frack the tech is what we're saying. It's a slogan of our gang. So yes, now are we live again? Hopefully now we're working. It is working. Yes. Hi again. Hopefully with no technical issues this time. So as I was saying, welcome. My name is Xanthias and I do websites here, and this time without any technical issues. Hopefully I'm going to show you how to make a contact form using WordPress and Elementor Pro. So make sure to follow this page and like and subscribe if you want to be notified for future tutorials and live updates. I mainly do WordPress tutorials and websites, stuff like that. So make sure to follow. Hello, Grimskull. Make sure to follow if you want to learn more about WordPress. I had some technical issues, so I'm trying it again. So hopefully it is working now. I hope it is. Let me know. I'm welcoming people in the meantime. Happy 4th of July. So let's see. Am I on Facebook? I am, because you are on Facebook. Let's see what's going on YouTube. Hopefully it's working as well. It says that I'm live. Yeah. So we're trying this again. What the technology got stuck while I was trying to share my screen, but I'm gonna try it again. On YouTube too. Good. Now we can start the tutorial. Welcome again, everyone, for the 4th time. And today we are going to do a contact form using Elementor Pro. I'm using Elementor Pro is my tool of choice. I'm doing a lot of WordPress all the time, mainly. So I'm going to show you a quick tutorial today, how to create a contact form without any other third-party plugins or anything else, just with Elementor itself. So I'm going to try and share my screen now. This time without, yes, now we're good, without any issues. Here we are. And I'm going to bring it here. So this is my website. So I have a contact page here and I have a contact form, but I'm going to take it away and build it again with Elementor, right? Right. Let's see. So if I go here and I go edit with Elementor, then I will enter Elementor's tutorial. That was a side kit. Ignore it. And here we are. This is just a draft. Yes, I was doing some things here. So let's say this is I'm using WP Forms as well. WP Forms is a very good plugin. I do recommend it. But today I'm going to show you just with Elementor Pro what you can do. So I'm just going to delete it. Nope, gone. Here I was doing some tests. Yeah. And I have built simple forms with Elementor, okay? But let's see what options do we have, what possibilities we have. Again, if you want to be able to use this, you need to have the Pro version, Elementor Pro version. It is locked on the free version. So you are here on your editor, right? And here you can just go to this form element and you can just drag it here, and I just want to have it under here, the letters, and automatically by itself it has a name, email and message fields. I think it's a bit too wide. I'm gonna just go directly to some paddings and margins and just make it a bit, make it a bit more narrow. So if I not 220 there on the left and 20 on the right and the top. I think that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. On the top, the bottom, maybe the bottom element needs some air as well. Let's have it like that. Yeah. So let's go to the content, and here we have name, email, and message. So here it has 3 fields, and here we get to choose what kind of content. It's text. Your name is a text. Here we have the advanced. Please make sure the ID is unique and not used. I guess if you want something else, which I really, to be honest, I have no idea what that is. I'm not using it. I'm just going to use the default to make my life easier, right? So name is a text field, and label, here you can write if it's a name or name and last name. Let's say I don't want it, name, but this is where you add if you want some explanatory text. If you want placeholder, you can have it here. However, the placeholder is white on white, and it doesn't really, it's not very obvious. So I think if you want to have it, I mean, you don't need it. Maybe if you want to have it, you need to change the color of the inside here, the fields, which if we go to style. Hi, Kevin. Why do you write it with capital letters and an exclamation mark? What have I done now? I had technical issues. If you see me multi-streaming in different channels, please let me know. But hi, everyone. So here we have the label, the text color. Here we can change it if we want. Yes, we're gonna keep it white. Let's have it white. HTML, the field. Here we have the background color. If we want to change it, to have the placeholder more obvious, we can have it black, something. You're excited to see, oh, that's so nice. I'm so excited to see you too, and I'm happy because I'm special. Oh, thank you, Kevin. Kevin, thank you so much. Thank you for your kind words. For a moment, I got scared that I have done something, you know, as last time with the restream. But okay, everything is under control. Good, good. Are you guys celebrating today? Do you celebrate in Ireland? I don't know. You're in Ireland somewhere. Is it, do they celebrate? Or just happy holiday to whoever is celebrating today? Do they give you... do they tell you jokes? Are they joking with you because you're an American? Yeah, no celebrations here. Hi, George. Hi. Okay. Well, he's American, so he should be celebrating. Yeah, but I'm thinking maybe they're giving him a hard time, you know, teasing him, you know, treason and everything. I don't know. We're just joking. We're not being political here, okay? This is just joke, YouTube and Facebook. It is, I'm teasing, yeah? So, yeah. So I showed you here how to change the background color. As I said, if you want to have placeholders, you need to have a background that will make the placeholder text more obvious, but I don't want that. So name, email. I click on email, and here you see the type is email, which means it will kind of verify. I mean, you can just write something, whatever. It needs to be something at something.com or whatever. So it will verify that it has the at symbol and everything else. Is it required? Yes. I mean, I need your email. If I want to contact you, I need your email. Besides the treason, they had it coming, and the Irish hate the English too. Yes, you have a point there. It's a good point. And then we have the message here. So yeah, I'm showing the tutorial. So if you're watching the replay, please bear with us because we are interacting, having fun here with the chat. So make sure to follow and like and subscribe to have fun with us live, right? Yes. We are a cool gang here in the creators. Where is it? Here. Join us. I have to go here so that it looks nice. Join us at Creators Guild app and creatortoolkit.com. So you can also join us in the joking, teasing each other. Yes. So now, what else can we add here? Add item. I mean, we can add a URL. Yes, for whatever reason. I mean, it would make sense for me as I have it on my request a quote contact form, request a quote for form. In English it's form, yes. I asked, do you already have a website? Yes. So please type your URL. So it will be easy for me, nice, convenient for me to know if you have an existing website and you need help with it or not. So maybe that will be a reason why I would want to use this field. And I guess it will validate, I mean, I cannot, sorry, not here. It has to be the form of www or something. I don't know what kind of validation it does, but anyway, you have that option. What else? So I'm just going to add some fields here and see what options we have. Text, we have telephone, of course. Let's say that the label, it puts it on top. Telephone, mobile phone, cell phone, whatever you want to call it. And here you can select if it's a required field or not. I'm not showing my screen. Yes, don't forget to share screen. Now I'm sharing my screen. This is the URL field that I was just showing you a minute ago. And this is the telephone screen that I'm having it as required. Oh my God. Yes, I'm gonna have to edit this a bit afterwards. So yes. And here I'm just gonna add another item. What else? What is the item 6? What we have here? So we have text, email, text area. You cannot see the drop down menu here, but I'm gonna tell you radio, select, checkbox, acceptance, number, date, time, file upload, password, HTML, hidden, step, reCAPTCHA, and reCAPTCHA version 3, and honeypot. What is honeypot? I don't know. Is this something I need? George, you guys, do you know what it is? What I would like, however, of all those options that I gave you, I would find useful for me name, email, telephone, optional. I'm not using that. Maybe some business to business companies, of course, they would need a telephone. Select or a checkbox. Select. And here we have, let's say, if it is what I think it is, do you have a website? Options. It says enter each option in a separate line. To differentiate between label and value, separate them with a pipe. For example, first name. Okay, well, let's see. I just want to know yes, no. Would that work? Here, yes, okay. Yes, no, yes, no. Do you have a website? Yes, no. Okay, I need, in that case, actually, I need to have a darker background. So that's, yeah, I'm gonna go with black. Yes, so do you have a website? Yes, no. So that the drop-down menu is obvious. So then, it will help me gather information. Or if you want to ask something else, like I want to be contacted for, I don't know, I cannot think right now of some options, but there are options that it will be good to know if you're gathering leads or whatever, to know yes, no, or something. Options you can have. Select. Text area. This is okay, like a big area. This is for your message. Okay, I'm going to remove those extra things that I made now. And at this point, I'm just going to keep it simple. Yes. Update. Remove those things. And they don't disappear. Do I have to refresh? Let's refresh the page. Need to add a question. Do you want to pay a lot of money for your website? And the only acceptable answer to that is yes. So yes, that I'm gonna keep it simple like that, right? I'm gonna put now a placeholder here. Let's put a placeholder because now it makes sense to be visible. Yes, let's see what you guys are saying. George says that, yes, I need it. It traps bots from some spamming your form. Okay. A honeypot field helps you fight spammers by adding a hidden field only visible to spam bots. This field helps admin identify whether the user is a spam bot and not a user. Yes, that's what you were thinking. That was correct, Kevin. Only a lot of money answers are accepted here. So you mean, George, that if I put here honeypot, it's not visible, but the bot will see it. So if I see an email with that field, completed field in, I know that it's a bot. Yeah, okay, good. Updated. I'm gonna keep it like that. Yeah, simple. Doesn't have to make our lives complicated. Think of honeypot like reCAPTCHA. Yes, got it. So, okay. Do I have to do something else? I don't think so. It seems like it is as it is, by the box, by default. Yeah. So that was a very fast and easy tutorial, right? How to make a contact form for your website using Elementor Pro. And my point also, besides the technicalities, is that make a contact form. You want to make it easy for people to contact you, not having so many questions. Like, I want people to contact me, and of course I want to gather information. I mean, it is a light balance there, because I want to gather information, if it's for a project or whatever it is, but also I don't want to have a very long, tiring form for a questionnaire or whatever for people to complete. I want to make it easy for people to contact me, but also easy enough or hard enough, or the right balance to gather enough information. So no, do it again and we won't distract you. Well, it's okay, that doesn't matter. I can make I was thinking, actually, okay, this is the live, of course, and it's nice with interaction and everything, but I want to make some also recorded video, so that can be a standalone video, recorded video tutorial, so that's okay. But now whoever is watching live, if they have questions also, you can ask me while I'm doing it here. So if someone wants to create a contact form together with me, we can do live, training session. Maybe now George and Kevin and Grimskull, you don't want to do a contact form right now, but if you wanted to do it, I could be able to help you live with yours. But I will make a separate recorded video as well, because I need to fill in the channel with more tutorials. I need to get the search engine, I need to get the algorithm going, I need to be discovered, okay? And thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the like, everyone. If you're watching the replay, subscribe for more tutorials, to join the live stream and everything. If you are watching on Facebook, like and follow the page. And if you have questions, of course, if you want assistance, if you're doing if you're building your own WordPress website and you are stuck somewhere and you don't know how to do that and that, let me know, leave me a comment, and I will be more than happy to create a tutorial for you. If I know, if I don't know, I will consult with George. George is a Divi expert here. He's doing Divi, I'm doing Elementor. So we will at least guide you to the right direction. Yeah, exactly, George. Send us ideas, and Xanthia, I will do Elementor and George will do Divi. So we're here to serve you, to help you, everyone. We are here for you. And let's see. Also, join the guild, of course, join us to get distracted as well while you're doing live stream. You're going to be attacked by the guild mates, which I'm so happy you're here, and meet a lot of cool people. If you're an aspiring content creator, you want to do live streams, you want to do vlogs, you want to do content in any form, podcasts, recorded videos, join the guild. If you're struggling, you don't know where to start, how to do it, or you haven't done that first step yet, we will help you. It is made by David Foster, the Impartial Geek, and he has put together a nice free web course that you can follow and get inspiration and motivation to do it. and you will get to hang out with us also. I hope that's a good thing, right? right? And yes, I focus mainly, as you have figured, on WordPress and Elementor and websites, and this is my website. And so go visit if you want to learn more about me and the things I do. All those nice graphics. This is size work, artistic work, but the overlays and the colors and that is made by Grimskull, who is in the chat room, and in the chat, all those things. He made it for me, and I'm forever thankful. And that also, that thing that you see around me, that is amazing. He made this for me. So if you want that as well, reach out to him. Kevin, if you're into theater, you can contact Kevin, right? Is that the right explanation? If you want a producer for your theater production, isn't that like what you do? He's your person. And where am I? Here I am. It is very late here. I was going to go live like an hour and a half ago, but I didn't for reasons. And the brain now is starting to shut down the body. I'm going to go to bed soon. Before I go to bed, can I share with you what I'm watching now on Netflix? Can I share it with you? Because I have been struggling lately to find something cool to watch, okay? And I have been seeing it on Netflix, Night Flyers. I have been seeing the trailer and I was ignoring it, but it is based on a novella by, what's his name? George R.R. Martin, the Game of Thrones guy, the one that wrote the books. So, and it's a science fiction, mystery, suspense. It has it's not horror, no, but it's science fiction mystery, I would say. It takes place in the future in a ship that is called Night Flyers. And yes, George R. Martin, I think he has 2 R's, yeah. So I said, okay, there's nothing else that I feel like I want to watch. I am tired of the comedies. I'm tired of all the police things. I'm tired for now. And have you seen it? Yes, I have started. I think I have. I'm on first. Is there a second season? Guys, I watched the first season in 2 days. I haven't done that in a while. Like I have been staying up to watch it. It is good. It is good. I mean, it keeps you interested. I enjoy it. If you have any other to recommend like that, in that sense, anything science fiction, I love it. I mean, after The Expanse, it happened to me after The Expanse. After I saw The Expanse, we watched together with my boyfriend, I couldn't find anything good enough because they put the bar so high, and then I couldn't find anything for my liking that would be good enough as The Expanse. But now, okay, Night Flyers. Hi Rob. So is it it is Night Flyers, Rob. Night Flyers, one word. And is it the second season or is it only a first season and we have to wait for the second? Is The Expanse good? Oh my God, it is, Rob. It is. It is science fiction as well, but it includes everything. It has politics, it has crime, it has suspense, it has the space, everything. Please shoot me some titles to watch. Yes. Check it out. It is from the same writer. It's from George Martin, the writer of Game of Thrones. So it's good. It's based on a novella. So I don't know exactly how much. I mean, the series is 8 episodes. And the novellas, they're really usually not big ones. But okay. That is. So I have 1 episode left. The last of the season. So I'm going to go watch that and then, sleep and everything. So, sorry, excuse me. Yes. Thank you for joining me in this crazy live stream today with technical issues in the beginning. But then, okay, it's sorted out. And thank you for your good company, all of you, Kevin, Grimskull, George. And thank you so much. Tomorrow, I'm going live again tomorrow. So I go live Mondays, Fridays, Sundays. Yes. So follow everything, to get the notifications when I go live so that you can join the streams. Thank you so much. Have a great week ahead of you. Enjoy the rest of the 4th of July, you, my American friends. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye. Bye.